Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce for pasta without Maida. We'll focus on a simple yet effective technique that delivers incredible flavor and texture. Forget the traditional roux. This approach uses a combination of dairy and cheese to achieve that desired creaminess. You'll be surprised how easy it is to whip up a delicious, gluten-friendly sauce in just a few minutes, perfect for your next pasta meal. To begin, you'll need just a few key ingredients. Start with about 1 cup of whole milk or heavy cream, which forms the luxurious base of our sauce. Next, grab 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 2 cloves of fresh garlic, finely minced, for aromatic depth. Finally, have 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese ready, along with a pinch of black pepper to season. These simple items are all you need for a fantastic sauce. Let's get cooking. First, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat until it's shimmering. Add your 2 minced garlic cloves and sauté them for about 1 minute until they become wonderfully fragrant, but don't let them brown. Slowly pour in 1 cup of whole milk or heavy cream, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to warm through evenly. Now for the grand finale. Let your sauce gently simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing it to reduce and naturally thicken to your desired consistency. Remove it from the heat and stir in 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese until it's completely melted and the sauce is beautifully smooth. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and a pinch of black pepper. Finally, toss this delightful, Maida-free white sauce with your favorite hot pasta and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.